prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 equals 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So the left hand side is tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now we can convert this 1 as secant square theta minus tan square theta using the identity. So the left hand side can be written as tan theta plus secant theta minus secant square theta minus tan theta divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now secant square theta minus tan square theta can also be written as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. And the denominator remains unchanged, tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now in the numerator both the terms has tan theta plus secant theta, so we can take it outside common. We will get tan theta plus secant theta into 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So the LHS will become tan theta plus secant theta into 1 minus secant theta and minus into minus plus tan theta. And the denominator is also the same, 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. We can cancel these two terms and we will get tan theta plus secant theta. Now tan can be written as sin theta by cos theta and secant theta is written as 1 by cos theta. So we will get sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta, which is our right hand side. Now in the next question we have sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Since the right hand side is of terms secant and tan, it will be easier for us to convert the LHS, which is of sin and cos, into secant and tan, and we can do that by multiplying and dividing with secant theta. Since sin theta into secant theta can be written as sin theta into 1 by cos theta, which will be tan theta, and also cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Using these two identities we can write secant theta into sin theta is tan theta, cos theta into secant theta is 1 plus secant theta divided by multiplying secant theta in the denominator, we will get tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. Now the numerator 1 can be written as, since secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, we will rewrite this as tan theta minus secant square theta minus tan square theta plus secant theta divided by tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. The numerator secant square minus tan square can also be written as tan theta minus secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Plus secant theta divided by tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. So the left hand side is tan theta plus secant theta minus secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, and in the denominator we have tan plus 1 minus secant. Now we can take tan plus secant common outside as it is there in both the terms, so we will get tan theta plus secant theta into 1 minus the remaining term is secant theta minus tan theta divided by tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. Now the numerator will become tan theta plus secant theta into 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta, which is similar to the denominator tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. By rearranging the denominator we will get this term, so we can cancel them. The left hand side is equal to tan theta minus secant theta, plus secant theta, and if we multiply this term and divide it with secant theta minus tan theta, also dividing with secant minus tan theta, the numerator will become secant square theta minus tan square theta, and denominator is secant theta minus tan theta. Secant square theta minus tan square is 1, so this is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta, which is our right hand side. If you have any doubts in these two questions, feel free to discuss in the comment section below. Thank you.